we go.
What's up guys, trains are at Liss Station Level Crossing in Hampshire. And also I'm joined on call by Adam J. Richardson and Southern Train Spotting. There we go. There you go. And we're down for our 13:02. And hang on Adam, I'll say what the trains are. We're down for our 13:02 2 Papa 42 South West train service from Portsmouth South Sea to London Waterloo, and possibly also down for our 13:06 2 Papa 31 London Waterloo to Portsmouth and South Sea. We might Brayford for that, but it might stay down.
You've got 4-minute gap in between there, so probably be about.
We'll probably go back up, I'd say.
Yeah, it's opposite directions. First train's coming from South Sea, which is that way, and then you got the train to South Sea coming in, and that'll be stopping as well. So I think it'll probably go up.
Yeah, it should. Departure is always.
Did you get a good shot of the alarm, Adam?
Yep.
I
pointed it at it as well. If you so.
Yeah. That alarm is really nice.
And see the lights there as well. See if we can possibly use that on roadblocks. Ask Markle Sparkle.
It sounds like the old clear poles that sounds like one of the old clear poles.
But if you want, can we ask Markle Sparkle if he can possibly make that into an audio on roadblocks?
Markle.
He said he should be able to, probably.
Some of the pieces on the barrier.
Hey, can you see that it's faded, like with the GWEs?
Yeah, it's a lot faded.
It's faded quite a bit.
Okay, it's got more red there.
There's more red on this side than there is over there. There's only one barrier skirt with red on it. Oh, here we go. We've got someone approaching. This will be our 2 Papa. Hang on. This will be our 2 Papa 02. Oh, no, 2 Papa 40. Sorry. 13:02 South West train service from Portsmouth and South Sea to London Waterloo.
Apparently it's meant to.
Also, we might be down for our 13:06 2 Papa 31 London Waterloo to Portsmouth and South Sea.
I've just got used to the layout.
Also, I might do a quick announcement as well at the end of this video of what I might actually be doing, which I'll tell you guys as well in a bit. We all hear at the same time as recording, but you'll actually hear first because this video is yet to upload.
Yeah, maybe
444022.
444022.
Behind that, and we're going to go up, I think.
Oh no, hang on, I think we're staying.
No, we're staying.
Yeah, we're staying.
Yeah, we're staying.
13:02 Papa 31 South West train service from London Waterloo.
Is it actually in the station yet? No, it's not.
South Sea. I said that wrong, so I'm going to do it again.
And you see this is MCB CCTV as well there, guys. Can you guys see up there? This is MCB CCTV.
Yeah. I shouldn't be lazy. I'm too lazy.
I think it'd be Anders Ash that would do the Brayford.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, you just kicked the barrier there.
These little trains. Wait, what's our next crossing?
I think the next thing is like 20 past.
No, the next crossing, yeah, and next one's 20 past, so there's.
But I think we might see if I can go up to Forest Road.
Is that the next crossing?
That's the AHB.
Doesn't that still have halogens?
No, the only one that's still halogen on this line is Sheet down in Petersfield.
Doesn't Forest Road July? It's extremely, isn't it?
The London Waterloo train's just leaving platform 1.
Yeah, so where's this Portsmouth train then?
personally, I think this should have gone up.
Yeah, we've got 4.
Yeah, because of traffic congestion, that's going to kind of...
Yeah, it's not too bad, but it's enough.
Hey, soon I will get it finished because we've got...
I've heard the barriers are supposed to be upgraded soon as well. They're going to be putting SPX on them.
Yeah, they shouldn't put CH anyway, because they're just too old.
Wait, doesn't Burton have spares? Adam, doesn't Burton have spares?
Yeah, Burton has.
Yeah, it does have spares, doesn't it?
There's a GWE sign there that's been partially painted over, but you can still see the GWE logo on it.
Yeah. Hyperneeds have one GWE barrier. Like, which has the 5th generation GWE.
I swear Icom's an AHB though. How can I have GWEs?
Hycom is an AHB.
There we go.
I do a Smith's of SPX barrier. Sorry, I'm chasing so much guys.
That's the Portsmouth train. Personally, I think it should have gone up. It's because the train came over, the Waterloo train came over probably about 4.5 minutes ago.
Yeah.
So personally, should have raised it, put it back down.
Right.
So it's starting to cause traffic jams both sides. Yeah. Well, the train's stopping, so you can get like put a danger signal on.
Yeah, but I don't know why, just some signals are not confident.
Well, the video's been going for 7 minutes now, and that's from activation, and the train went over probably about 2 minutes.
Yeah.
It's not as bad as I was filming up at Farnham a couple of weeks ago. I think on the video it's about 3 minutes first train went over. Next train didn't get over till about 9 or 10 minutes.
Alright, yeah, this one, quite often this is down for a long time though, about 7 minutes.
Busy line.
Yeah. Every time we got across here as well.
Yeah. 444-028 on the back of that, and get back. Big L.
It's later.
Thanks guys. Look at that traffic congestion though. Look at that. I'm now going to head up to Forest Road guys, but quickly, I have a quick announcement as well, is that I will now be launching on other mediums, which means, you're not supposed to really be stopped in that hatched area. Hang on. It's clear for the next 20 minutes, but still, you shouldn't really stop on that hatched area. Anyways, sorry I was a bit distracted. Launching on other mediums now as well, guys. And possibly within the next couple of weeks, I will be launching M-Trains on Dailymotion. So you'll be seeing videos coming up on Dailymotion soon. And also launching on like LinkedIn and Twitter as well. Stay tuned. See you guys next time.